Number 3 is the same as the other problems with a slight twist. This is about as bad as they can make it on you. They actually want to know what this number here is. So that is going to be your x. And then they have gone ahead and they have given you the rest of these values. So this is negative 242, and this is negative 271. Again, that's an element in its standard state, and then so it's a 0. And so remember our equation. Our equation is that the delta H of the reaction is going to be equal to the sum of the products minus the sum of the reactants if you are talking about heat of formation values. All right, well, that seems easy enough. Yes, but there is one final last little trickification here. And again, they want this, that's your x. So that means that they had to have told you what the delta H is. And they did. They told you it was 318. So fine, I'm going to go ahead and put 318 here. But in doing so, now all of a sudden I'm wrong. Why? Because, look closely, it says that it produces 318 kilojoules of heat. Oh, if it produces that much heat, then what you're talking about is you're talking about an exothermic reaction, or again, a production of heat. So that's actually got to be negative 318, because again, the delta H of this guy is negative 318 because it's producing that much heat. So that's a way that they're going to try to trick you on that. They're going to give you the 318, but you have to know that it's negative 318 because it's being produced. If it had said it absorbed 318 kilojoules or an endothermic reaction, then you could have left it positive. But this is clearly an exothermic reaction. It's producing that heat, so it's got to be negative 318. So that then is going to be equal to 2 times negative 271, because again, that's what my products are. And then I'm going to subtract from that x added to negative 242. Read my own handwriting. 242, that's there. Sorry, that's 242. So negative 318 is equal to the products minus the reactants, and this is the x that you want. So if you go through and solve for x, I end up with positive 260 kilojoules per mole as my answer.